Hey there, tech fans! You're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best amazing tech gadgets in 2020. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these gadgets, feel free to check out the links in the video description. In addition, don't forget to like the video, or dislike it if you're feeling salty today, and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. The first tech gadget we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the APEMAN Mini Portable Projector. Next up, at our number 4 spot, we've got the MingSung camera video glasses. Coming up next at number 3, we've got the Vector Robot by Anki. Next up in our number 2 spot, this thing's actually pretty cool. It's the Infinity Orb Magnetic Levitating Bluetooth Speaker. Last but not least, in our number 1 spot, we've got the ToiLight Toilet Nightlight, because, you know, who wouldn't want to light up toilet? Alright, tech fans, so now that we're at the end of the slideshow, let us know in the comments section which tech gadget you ended up liking the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos just like this one.